Here's Buck taking his nightly walk with Papa. Let me show Daddy your hip. Okay, now walk him out here this way so I can get him, show him his walk. Come here, Buck. Good boy, look at you. Good job. Come on. Come on, boy. He's doing good. He's a little tired tonight, but he just got out of his pen. Can you say hi to Daddy, Buck? Buck, sit down. Good boy. Can you shake? Can you shake? Shake. No, not tonight. Alright, there he is. Doing pretty good. It's really hot out though, so. That's a big boy course. Love you. Talk to you later. Bye.